Hi friends, today I will show you how to make an announcement channel on Discord. For this, you must already have community enabled. Go to the channel that you want to make an announcements channel, click on the settings, scroll down and enable announcement channel. Save the changes and press escape. Now as you can see, this has been turned into an announcements channel. Any member of your community can now follow this channel by clicking the follow button on the top, selecting the server that they want to follow it in, and then selecting the channel. Now, if you send any message in your announcements channel, for now we will just send a message. You can now click the publish button, which will share it with your entire community. And the message will be sent in any server and channel that has followed it, such as this. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.